The origin of the barbecue is clouded in a bit of a smoky haze, but it's believed that native Caribbeans were the first barbecuers. Of course, back then, they didn't have charcoal grills. They roasted their meat over a smoky pit. Today, people still love a good cookout, but now we have better equipment. To make a basic charcoal grill, they start with big steel discs. A machine with rollers coats each one with soapy lubricant. Then they feed it to a press that stretches the disc into a big bowl. Stretching steel is a bit tricky. It could tear if they don't lubricate it well enough, so they make sure each disc gets a generous application before it goes under the press. The press swiftly transforms the flat piece of steel into a round bowl. This is a back view of the press. Using mechanical might, the ram delivers 500 tons of pressure. They use a similar type of press to make the lids for the barbecues. An operator inspects each part for splits and cracks. Then it's over to a press that trims the rim. They toss the scrap into a bin for recycling. Next, they spin the barbecue bowl while an automated roller flanges the rim. After that, they pierce the bowl to make holes for ventilation. Now they bring out all the guns, as in welding guns. The guns fuse metal couplings to the bowls to serve as attachments for the barbecue's legs. Here, they load handles into a fixture. A turntable swings into action and delivers the bowl to welders that fasten the handles to each side. At another station, they're working on the barbecue lids. They weld a handle onto each one of them. This one will allow the chef to lower the lid to control the cooking temperature, and then lift it again when it's time to flip the burgers. The barbecue parts now travel on an overhead rail to the wash station. Here, nozzles hose them down with soapy water and then rinse them. Once they're dry, they head over to the finishing department. Here, they dust them with a glass powder. Then it's into a furnace that's red hot, 848 degrees Celsius. The furnace bakes the glass dust into an enamel finish that will protect the parts from rust and stains so they'll last for years. Next, they go under lights that are as harsh as daylight. This exposes any defects in what should be a mirror-like finish. The technician examines each part inside out. A punch machine now makes dampers from aluminum. It simultaneously cuts the shapes and embosses the company's trademark onto them. A damper is a handy attachment that enables the chef to control the flow of air to the grill. They put nylon grips on the handles. And they install the damper over the lid's ventilation holes. It's up to the consumer to do the final assembly, something that should take just a few minutes. And then it's time to pull supper together.